In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install latest version of Python, which is at the moment 3.7.4 on Windows 10. In case if you have Windows 7, 8, 8.1, you will be able to install this Python 3.7.4. If you get any error installing Python 3.7.4 on Windows 7, please Google it, okay? So this is Microsoft Windows 10. I'm quickly going to check the system type. So right click on this start button here and go to system. And on this window you can see it says system type. So this is 64-bit based on 64-bit processor. So we will go ahead and install 64-bit Python 3.7.4. So to download Python 3.7.4 or the latest version of Python, you simply go to python.org, hit enter on your preferred browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge Insider, and then go to downloads button. Okay, this takes you to python.org/downloads. You can put your cursor and download it from here as well, or you can click this download Python 3.7 yellow button, which is a download button. If you just click on this, you'll get more options. Here you can see if you're looking for any specific version of Python like 3.7 or 3.4.9, 3.5, 3.6, you can download it from here as well. But in this video, I'm going to download the most latest release, which is 3.7.4. You can simply click on the download button. If you want to read a release note, which generally people do, you can go ahead and right click on it and open it in a new window. So there are a few changes in this release. Security core and built-in improved support for surrogate pass, error handler, UTF-8 and 16. There are a few libraries added to this 3.7.4 which you can read. Support for MySQLite 3.2.8 on Windows, and system executable path also has been improved for Microsoft Windows. These are the security candidates that you can see, and again these are a few more fixes. Few libraries that you can go over if you wish to. So these are basically changes in Python 3.7.4. There are improvement to idle as well, Python idle for Mac OS as well, tools and demos. Okay, so there are a few scripting errors that have been fixed here. Okay, so that are basically major changes in Python 3.7.4. You can go ahead and read this documentation, okay, by clicking on this release notes. To download it, you simply click on download, and this takes you to different page here, and just scroll down here. You can read this for Microsoft Windows, Mac users, okay, for more information. Otherwise, just scroll down and look for 64-bit download button here for Microsoft Windows, okay. If you need 32-bit for Microsoft Windows, you can click this Windows x86 web-based installer or executable or zip file, okay. For 64-bit, we will need one of these, okay. So Windows, this is embeddable zip file. If you need to port to other system, download it on this computer and take you to the different one, you can download the zip one, okay. We will go ahead and download the executable or the web-based for the same system, okay. So for this video I'm going to use web-based. Executable one is kind of you download everything and then you can hit the install button. Web-based installer downloads a little bit and then when you click install, it connects to the nearest Python download mirror, which is kind of a web server, and downloads from there. Okay, so we are going to download this web-based installer, which is kind of faster than the executable one. And once it's downloaded, which is 3.7.4, click on open file, and if you get something like this which says, okay, I'm still waiting for it. So this is Microsoft Windows 10 security, which may be on Windows 8, 8.1 or 7 as well. So if you get something like this, simply click on install anyway, and here you want to ensure that you check this box, okay, add Python 3.7 to path. Do not forget it, otherwise you would not be able to execute it from the command prompt here. Okay, so okay, if you wish to customize it, you can go ahead and do that, but I'm not going to customize it. Okay, make sure you check this box, add Python 3.7 to path, okay, system path, and then hit install now. You'll get another window, say yes. Now you can see it's downloading, basically installing 64-bit of Python 3.7.4, and it shouldn't take a long time. It should be up in a moment. Okay, so in case if you've got any previous version of Python, what you quickly need to do, go to control panel and uninstall the old version of Python, then install 3.7.4 or any latest, whatever you need at this for your requirement. Okay, alrighty, it's almost done here. So it's installing pip as well, which is package manager for Python, that lets you install other packages on your system. So here we go. It's been installed successfully. You can see here. Simply go ahead and close it. Okay, and open the terminal. If you do not have terminal pinned here, go ahead and click on this start menu and type CMD or command prompt and hit enter. You'll get the same thing here. Now we will go ahead and check whether Python 3.7.4 has been added to the system path. To simply type Python hyphen and uppercase V, and you'll see you've got Python 3.7.4. If you just type Python, you would be able to interact. It's kind of interactive shell where you can write Python and execute. So if I say print and say something here in between like hello world, it should execute. Okay, the other way you can go ahead and execute Python basically using idle. Okay, one more thing which is available in 3.7.4, you get the manuals as well, so you can go over, this is locally downloaded. Okay, so you can go over the documentation and it makes your job easy. If you're a learner, everybody is a learner. Python is a very robust and huge kind of library. Python has huge libraries, so people look up no matter how experienced you are. Alright, so you can go ahead and check the idle as well, which is Python idle. I don't know, where did it go? Python idle, I don't know. Let's go ahead and check. if I can find one. Let's see. You will have to look up for it. Python 3.7, you'll see something like this. Okay, a folder in this apps list. You see idle 64-bit Python and manual and docs, module docs. Okay, so we need the idle one. If you wish, you can go ahead and drag it over here, and this is going to be pretty handy. Or you simply right click and pin to start, which will pin here. You can drag it over wherever you wish to, and then you can easily launch it. So here it is. Okay, to execute any file with idle, you need to save the file first. So we'll go ahead and create a new file here, and I'm going to save it on the desktop. So very quick, kind of hello, and you don't need to type .py. So here we go. If I type something here, same thing. Hello world, and save it. Just save it like that and run it. To run it, you simply F5. You can press F5 on the Windows, keyboard, and this runs the application or the module, whatever you call it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please let us know. Thanks again. Have a good day.